AI functionalities are important for dashcams, whether it is ADAS or DMS. It can help better product drivers, enhance their performance, and improve road safety. Whether to test indoors or in actual, make sure installation is proper and calibration is accurate, so AI algorithms perform best. Please follow the guide to complete installation of the device, and then do as follows. First, open WiFiKit and connect to the device hotspot to access the dashboard. Tap on Debug at the bottom and then on ADAS Calibration. If you haven't purchased and activated the license for the dashcam, Activate ADAS First appears. In this case, please contact your account manager for confirmation. If you haven't enabled ADAS function, please enable ADAS appears. Tap on Go to Settings and turn the ADAS function on. But if you have logged in as a guest, the app will require you to enter the device command password before dropping to the setup page. Then you can return to the ADAS calibration page. Take several measurements according to the on-screen legends. Measurements should be taken after each installation, as the make and the install position may vary. All required data are completed. Tap on Next Step to access the live feed page of the ADAS camera. Move the marker line with the D-pad to make sure that the vertical line is at the horizontal center of the road, and the horizontal line at the connection between the road and the sky. Tap Complete to complete the calibration.
ADAS calibration successful.
That's all about calibrating the ADAS function. Please do that before you hit the road. All features updates of this app will be based on this.